Alright, well, it's time. I've taken off both yokes and all the bolts. I've taken off the top cover. There. Now the only thing that's left to do is remove the retaining whatchamacallits. See how they're adjustable, just like that. Adjustable. That's one. This is the outside one. Clean it up. This one, which is still tight. I don't know why women have to make things so complicated. I don't know why women have to go out. Just kidding. I'm working 14, 15, 16-hour days and people are out partying. Go figure. Look at this. What's in there? Ding. Rusted. Now, what I have to do is I have to unscrew all of these. So, I will first, I think I'm first going to start by unscrewing this, which doesn't unscrew easy. Hang on. There we go. Now, count the turns. I'm going to use this as a point right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 turns. And you know what? I'm going to mark that one a little bit better. Alright, well that was 5 turns. These I'm going to have to hit with a hammer. Or my hand. Nope, definitely hammer. Alright, well I'm going to unloosen this one. I'll get you guys back in a second. There it is. Completely disassembled. And now I have to. Oh. There's seals on the outside of this right here. There's a seal. That has to be replaced. That I didn't know. And there it is. Let me get my flashlight out so you can see. There's the culprit. I have to take out that gear right there, the bearing sleeve. This right here. I gotta take that out. And then the other part just presses right out, I guess. First part in, last part out. So I'm probably gonna heat up this outside ring and see if I can't just kinda get it go whack already. I'll heat it up. That's what I'll do. Bring it to my buddy's shop and just heat that puppy right out of there. And hopefully put the new one in. I need a new race too. Oh shit. Alright, well I'm gonna do some thinking here. I gotta clean off my gears. Those will be used soon. And yeah. It's a big job. Posi traction. Posi. I'm gonna clean out my Posi traction. Excuse me. I'm gonna clean her out. Hello. See that? Alright. Lots of work to do. Such a little time. I'm gonna bring this to my buddy's house and clean her up. Try and press that thing out. Try and press that out. Put a new one in. Alright, well, I'll see you in a bit. Lots of work to do. There's the culprit. It'll get replaced. See you in a bit.